Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to use default settings for appearance on Suno app. We go to Suno as you see and we click. In this page, we go here to this window of profile. Then we click in the sign of settings. Here you will go to appearance and you will click. Then we go to use device settings. And as you see, you can know how to use device settings for appearance on Suno app. So that's all. Don't forget to purchase, buy, like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.